Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eating Treats video where we prioritize health over longevity. Today I'm sharing with you all 3 delicious, healthy and simple, fully vegan, plant-based recipes to make for breakfast. They are all protein rich, packed with nutrients and super yummy. We've got 2 sweets and 1 savory, a creamy quinoa porridge for people who are not the biggest fans of oatmeal, a delicious but really easy to make overnight chia pudding, and a white bean dip to go on top of some delicious sourdough bread. All of these recipes will be linked in the description box as well as on my website itelleatingtreats.com. You can actually even print out the recipe if you want on my website. With that being said, I feel like there's not much else needed. If you want more daily content, go ahead and follow on Instagram, TikTok, or you can subscribe to the newsletter to have fully plant-based recipes sent straight to your email. With that being said, let's go ahead and continue with the video. So today's first breakfast recipe is perfect for people who want the oatmeal feel but just without oatmeal. Today we're making a Jamaican style porridge with some quinoa, and this is high in protein and it has so many health benefits. I love quinoa. It is such an easy thing to cook. It's so much more complete than rice, and I love that quinoa can stand alone. Of course, rice can stand alone and even oatmeal, but I think quinoa is just superior in every aspect. This bag was about $3 or $4 from Aldi, and I'm just cooking it with some Jamaican spices and the way that I make the Jamaican porridge, but just with healthier alternatives. Like instead of condensed milk, I'm using date syrup. I'm actually making my own homemade hemp milk. For added protein, this is going to be extremely protein rich because of this hemp milk. It's going to be creamy, it's going to be delicious, and it's going to taste yummy and comforting. This recipe is honestly extremely versatile. It's really easy to make. If you decide to use like a cashew milk or of course coconut milk as we typically use in Jamaican porridge, you can use that, but I love my hemp milk because it really adds to the protein levels of this. Add a little vegan or coconut condensed milk if you wish, or whatever you decide, and it's so yummy. I topped it off with some wild blueberries, some pumpkin seeds, some coconut hemp seeds, and pistachios, and this was so comforting and yummy. So next up we have some chia pudding. I feel like chia pudding is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm adding health benefits to this. So we're going to be using some of that hemp milk from the day before, and like I said, the hemp milk, specifically homemade hemp milk, is protein packed. Hemp milk that is purchased in the stores is really watery. It does not have a lot of protein. I don't know if they like strain the pulp or whatever, but we're keeping all the pulp in the hemp milk, which is why that protein is so available. I'm sifting in some beetroot powder for a nice color that give it like a nice strawberry or pink or raspberry like color, and I'm adding in just like some agave, and then that milk is super easy. You can add in whatever you decide and let it sit for a few hours or overnight, and you can take it on the go. It's perfect if you have school or if you have work, and I just love this recipe. It's super yummy. You can also put yogurt in it to make it even creamier and fluffier, and it's really easy and really yummy. last recipe of the day is going to be the white bean spread on some delicious sourdough and some gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. At least I think they're heirloom tomatoes. I decided to cook my beans from dry and let them soak overnight, and then I cooked them. But of course you can just use a can. The recipe on the website actually calls for can measurements. It's totally up to you, personal preference. I love this recipe because it tastes so good, and it's like literally takes 5 minutes to put together. You just grab your food processor or your blender, blend it up, put it on some toast, and you can eat it as is. I want it to be fancy, and I topped it with some fancy tomatoes and some balsamic vinaigrette glaze. So these were 3 delicious, fully plant-based vegan breakfast recipes that are high in protein and very nutritious. We had 2 sweet and 1 savory, and if I have to say which one my favorite is, probably be the savory one. I'm just such a savory gal when it comes to breakfast. Don't forget, if you're interested in these recipes, the whole of them will be linked in the description box down below. We are continuing on with Vlogmas tomorrow. It was such a pleasure to cook for you guys today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!